Good morning and welcome back to my videos on solving each one of LeetCode's problems, starting from the easy ones going to the hard ones. So where did we stay? Wasn't it like choose? Okay, I think this, now we can see it in the order. Okay, best time to buy and sell stock. I think this is helpful. So you're given an array prices where prices of the index is the price of a given stock on the day of the index. If you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell it, return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return zero. Okay, so we want to find the biggest amplitude between the numbers. So in this case, I think it's 7 and 1. Oh no, you buy low and you sell high. Yeah. So you want to find the lowest. Yeah, and 1 and then sell at 6. Buying on day 2 and selling on day 1, of course, you can only go forward. So what we can do is we can iterate over the array. So let me copy and paste this. And okay, so what we can just iterate, we need to iterate over the whole array at least once. I think we only need to do it once. But let's say we start at 7 and we're like, okay, 7 is the lowest we got. And then we go on, oh, 1 is the lowest we got. So let's keep 1. And then we just go over and try to find the highest one. If we iterate and we find something lower than 1, we're like, okay, cool, this is our new low. But if not, we just keep on finding the highest, and then we subtract the lowest we found with the highest we found. So I'm feeling confident. Probably shouldn't, but let's just iterate over it. So lowest found equals none, highest found equals none, best amplitude is none. So for price in prices, if lowest found, if not lowest found, or price is smaller than lowest found, we say lowest found equals price. And we can do the same thing for highest found. Highest. Okay, and Windows already changed my keyboard again. But now, if you guys have this issue, you just go over here and you change it back to what you want. I've done some videos where I was just typing, trying to remember what the English keyboard looked like. Okay, so we can just do this, and if we reach the end, then we found the lowest and the highest. I think this is good. But what we can do is whenever we find the highest price, we say that the best amplitude is equal the highest found minus the lowest found. And then we just return best amplitude in the end. Let's run. Okay, so why did it fail? Let me make a directory into one best stocks. Code 121. Oh, I didn't want to do this. Code 121 best stocks. Solution.py. Copy and paste this. And now solution, max profit. So let's run this. Run Python file. Best amplitude 0. Yeah. Okay, so if we find the lowest found, I think we need to reset the highest found again. And now, yeah. Okay. Yeah, smaller. 5. So going back, if the lowest found doesn't exist, it's not, or the price that we found is smaller than the lowest found, then we update it and we reset the highest found. Because otherwise we would have this problem. We would find 7 is the highest, then we find the 1. Okay, this is a new low. But then we'll never find anything higher than 7. But we need to find anything higher than 7 beyond 1. So that's what we do. Best amplitude. And now the new best amplitude. And then we need to say that the new best amplitude, if new best amplitude is higher than the best amplitude, we replace it. Yeah, okay. And same thing. If not, or 5, let's go. Okay, I'm feeling confident about this. Okay, wrong answer. Why? So, output 1 expected 2. Yes, because it should be 0 all the way to 2. It must be something with that 0 and the Boolean values. So, let's just go slowly, little by little. So let's see, we have none, 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 and then the prices. Okay. Price is 2. Okay, so the best amplitude now is 0. And now we keep going. Now price is 1. It's a new lowest found. Okay, cool. And now the price is 2. So yeah, now the amplitude is 1. Price is 1. Doesn't do anything. Price is 0. Okay, so lowest found, highest found. So I think I should just I'm gonna remove this. Let me just run past 1. Why is this 1? So price is 2. Lowest found is 2. Now price is 1. Lowest found is 1. Now price is 2. Now it's the highest found. That becomes 2. And now the amplitude, best amplitude is 1. Now price is 1. Nothing for price. And now price is 0. So the best found and the highest price found none. So price now is 1. Not lowest found. Oh, yeah, I knew there was something with the Boolean values. Okay, so let me just best amplitude 2. Okay, that's it. So one thing, why did I go wrong? Because I was going for if not lowest found. And when it's 0, then it's going, oh, then it's 0 gives it the Boolean value uh, false. So we're going to run this. So if lowest found is 0, let's update the price. No, we don't want that. We want it if none. What we could do to make this without any nuns is from math import infinity. So what you could do here is use infinities. I think we can do minus infinity. Let's see if I can do that. Ubuntu, Python 3, from math import. So 2 is smaller than inf. True. 2, all this big number is smaller than inf. Yes, because it's infinity. Let's see if we can do minus infinity. So 1, so minus all of this is smaller than minus infinity. False. But it's smaller than infinity. True. Okay, so what we could do is we could use minus infinity. So we could do that, and highest found is minus infinity, and we could just update things like that, and we don't need the is none. Let's see if this works. Best template to infinity. Okay, I must have messed up somewhere. Price, lowest found equals price. What is best template to? Yeah, because we want lowest found to be infinity, not minus infinity. Yeah, let's just run this and see if it works. Okay, it works. And it did better. So hope you guys enjoy this. See you later.